Day trading is a fast-paced trading strategy where individuals buy and sell financial instruments within the same trading day. The goal? To capitalize on short-term price movements. It's not just about luck. It requires a solid understanding of the market, quick decision-making, and the right tools. To get started, you need a reliable trading platform. Look for features like real-time data, charting tools, and fast execution. A good internet connection is crucial, as even a slight delay can impact your trades. Many traders also use technical analysis tools, like indicators and chart patterns, to help inform their decisions. Now, let's dive into some common strategies. One popular approach is scalping, where traders make numerous small trades throughout the day, aiming to profit from tiny price changes. Another strategy is momentum trading, where traders look for stocks that are moving significantly in one direction and jump on that trend. Then there's the reversal strategy, where traders identify potential turning points in the market, betting that a stock will change direction. Each strategy has its own nuances, so it's essential to find one that fits your style. Risk management is a critical aspect of day trading. Always set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. A common rule is to never risk more than 1% of your trading capital on a single trade. This way, you can withstand a series of losses without devastating your account. Diversifying your trades can also help mitigate risk, spreading your exposure across different assets. The psychology of day trading cannot be overlooked. Emotions like fear and greed can cloud judgment. It's vital to stick to your trading plan and not let impulsive decisions dictate your actions. Developing a disciplined mindset is key to long-term success. Keeping a trading journal can help you reflect on your trades, understand your emotional triggers, and improve your strategy over time. So, is day trading right for you? It's not for everyone. It requires time, dedication, and a willingness to learn. If you thrive in fast-paced environments and can handle stress, it might be a fit. However, if you prefer a more stable investment approach, consider other strategies like long-term investing. In conclusion, day trading can be an exciting way to engage with the markets, but it comes with risks. Equip yourself with the right tools, develop a solid strategy, and maintain a disciplined mindset. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments. Your journey in day trading starts with knowledge, so keep learning and stay informed.